Do you know what an HOA fee stands for? We'll find out today on Join Jocelyn. What is an HOA? It stands for Homeowners Association. Typically, all condos, townhouses, planned communities, and developments have an HOA. If you are considering buying a property like this, you must consider the HOA fees. They are a monthly payment that include certain things that the community offers. The HOA fees are here to benefit you as an owner. They take care of the maintenance of the area, lawn care, snow removal, maintenance of common spaces. If your complex has a clubhouse, pool, tennis courts, they take care of everything. If you prefer this style of living, maybe an HOA community is for you. What's great is you could buy a small one-bedroom condo up to a huge 4,000 square foot home that's a single family home that has that community feel. If you would like additional information or maybe even see some properties like this, contact us today. Did you like this video? Make sure to share it with a friend, subscribe, and follow us. We'll see you next week on Join Jocelyn.